channel. Today we're gonna do a room tour. Alright, this is the entryway. There's not a whole lot here, it's just some walls. We got a mirror. I think I got this like 5 years ago. I think like maybe Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't know. Well, yeah, we have my dresser. We have a little Scentsy here. It's Paris, of course. This is a little frog. So some pictures, you know. Here we have some shelving that I got from Urban Outfitters. I just had a little bit of knickknacks on it. To the right here we have a little picture board thing. I got it at TJ Maxx. Yeah, I don't think it's there. I got it a few years ago, so. This is a butterfly chair. I've had it since like my first room in this house like 12 years ago. So pretty fun, yeah. And then we have my closet. If you want a closet tour, just kidding, it's really messy, but if you want one, like, comment, you know, all that stuff, self-promo. Cool. Here we have my desk. I got this at Crate & Barrel. So it was a purchase about a year ago. Super fun, it's like a little shelving ladder thing. An M for Makenzie. A globe, and then a picture of Jose. And then I just have like a bunch of little books and little stationery things. I have this little light box thing. My grandma got it for me from Amazon. Here we have my Bible, my planner, my camera. This is my bed. This is from Macy's Furniture. Got this in Tri-Cities. This blanket is from TJ Maxx. This is from Costco. My bedding is from, I believe, Kohl's or JCPenney's. I don't know. It was a really good deal. I can't remember. Maybe Target. I don't know. This pillow is from Hobby Lobby. I got this from TJ Maxx. This is my bunny. Yeah, that's it. And then this was also came with this. And then I have Harry Potter shelves from Pottery Barn. Pretty cool. So this is my favorite part of my room, probably. I love these big posters. I got the prints off of Etsy, and then I bought these frames off of Kohl's. And then over here we have my nightstand. Super fun, festive. Again from Macy's Furniture. And then I have two books here. And then this is just a picture of Jose in it, of course. I mean, leave a comment down below if you can count how many pictures of Jose I have in my room, because there's quite a few. And then these shelving. So I got these at Ace Hardware. And then these little fairy lights, I don't remember. I got all my fairy lights from different places. Got these little bookends, I believe, at TJ Maxx. And then I have some books here, and then another frame here. Up here I got this at Home Goods, and this also at Home Goods in Olympia. And then there's a picture of my dad and I when I was little, and then my mom, sister, grandma, and I when we went to Hawaii. And then up here I have my globe. It's from my graduation. And all of my family and friends signed that at my graduation parties. And then I just have some pictures from graduation and my diploma, and then just a little sign. And then right here, this is where I do my makeup. This is, yeah, if you don't, it just, yeah, it's a work in progress. I'm trying to figure out a good way to display all my makeup. But for right now, I just sit here and do it right here. This poof right here is from Hobby Lobby. Got it on sale, super fun. This is my computer, obviously. Another one of my favorite pieces of my room. This is just like my vanity slash get ready. Put my lotion and my perfume on in the morning and stuff. This little tray is from TJ Maxx. I have some perfumes in here. And I have some lotions, you know, a candle from Bath & Body Works, of course. And then another picture of Jose and I. Wow, shocker. And a picture of my sister, my dad, and I. I got this little thing from Jose. Got it in Bellingham for me. It's just a little Eiffel Tower, holds all my rings and stuff. And then this my mom got for me for my birthday. I'm not entirely sure where she got it, but it holds all my necklaces and my bracelets and all that kind of stuff. And then this mirror is from Urban Outfitters. Super cute. Love it. Alright guys, that was my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment to let me know what videos you want to see next. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun